Uh, can you see my screen?
Yes.
What can you see now? WhatsApp.
What's up?
All right, so you can see WhatsApp. So, guys, I want to introduce you to something tonight, uh, which I think would help. Okay, but I will just introduce you to it. I need you guys to go on YouTube. Now, one of the things I must encourage you to do is this: before you ask people questions, before you ask someone a question concerning something, concerning what you don't know, you understand, I need you to always do this thing. Always ask Google or ask YouTube, okay? Always ask Google or ask YouTube first, okay? It will make you appear a lot smarter because there are a lot smarter answers or a better options or better answers available on YouTube or Google for what you want to do. So that's why my job tonight is just to introduce you to this app, and I need you to watch videos on YouTube on how to use them, okay? On how to use them. What I told you guys about systems.io that I showed you on how to build websites. I spent less than 15 minutes, you understand, with this person showing me systems.io, and then every other thing I know about systems.io, I got them on YouTube. Okay, so you must make it a habit. Find a way to remind yourself to always ask Google whenever you don't know something. Just say ask Google or go to YouTube. I find YouTube very interesting because practically they just show you what you need to do. It's like a direct step. Google may take you to YouTube or take you to other places, but when I go to YouTube, I just see whatever I want and just move that way. Okay, so guys, for automation, when I mean automation, more like automation and then social media management, I want to introduce you to this app. You could have it on your phone, which is called Crowdfire. Okay, Crowdfire. You can see it here. Crowd, like CROWD. That's crowd, then fire. Okay, crowdfire.com. So on your browser, you could check crowdfire.com, or you could download the app from Play Store, crowdfire.com. Now, from this app, you could see, for what you can see here, you're seeing, you can see, have social accounts, connect them all, and I'll help you get the right audience. Now, what this app actually does is help you manage your social media accounts, you understand, from one point. Now, it's actually you can actually pay to use this app, okay? Emmanuel Odogoro, you are writing on my screen. Stop pressing your screen. I saw your name first before I started seeing line on my screen. Okay. Now, sorry, that's just a distraction, okay? Um, what happens here is it's actually a paid app, okay? You let me see. You could actually pay to use some of it, but also there's a free version, okay, that you could use, okay, to you could use on the app, okay. That's why you can see upgrade here. So the free version, what that does is, what the app does generally is help you manage your accounts. Now let me explain it to you. For instance, you can see Anderson Prayer. This is Facebook. You can see connected, and every other thing is off. This is pretty much. I had Instagram connected until this evening. I put it off. Twitter also was connected until I put it off. I want to have the right accounts. You understand? I'm still making up my mind what I want to promote, what I want to be consistent on. Either LinkedIn. I'm very much interested in LinkedIn, but you can see TikTok here, Twitter, and then like that. Whichever one you're doing, what you're doing. The idea of running your ad or putting your campaigns from Crowdfire is that you do not have to now do it twice. So you want to do it from one source, and then it just helps you post it on the other place, and in the other places. Okay, so let's say for instance, if I want to share content now. Now let's just go through the app. So the first thing you can see here is content curation. Let me say this quickly. There are four kinds of people online. Okay, four kinds of people online. We have the uh, creators. Creators, for instance, a lot of you are creators. You're creating content, you're doing research and putting out stuff. Okay, so creators are the first set of people, and then these guys are actually the people who provide information that are there online. Then we also have the next set, which are called curators. Curators mean more like they just gather information from one place or the other and then just push it out to people. Okay, so you could actually also make money online or do active work online and then gain social media authority by creating information, here or there. Okay, so you do not have to create the content by yourself. You could actually just gather information from reliable sources and then just feed people with it. I know a lot of people, a lot of Facebook pages that are just basically curation based, where they just gather information from people and then just post it there. Then we have the commentators, people who just come and then just pretty much just comment. They're active with commenting, reacting, and then the rest of them. For a space like Twitter, that actually that helps you to gain, that helps you in the what they call that word now, it's not impression, yes, to calculate the impressions that you have, you understand, that could be useful also. So that could amount to money also for a space like Twitter. I'm not so familiar with TikTok, so I wouldn't know how that works out, but I know for Twitter that's useful. Then the last are just spectators, people who don't do anything, just come, just watch and then go. But they are also very useful, because if for instance you are being paid for the views on your account, these people actually contribute. Okay, so now let me now go. I said I went through that for those 4 explanations, just to tell you why content creation is key here. Now, for instance, you're trying to put out information. Look at what content creation actually puts out here. You can see article recommendations. If you want them to gather information for you, you understand, around the subject, you could just come and type the topic that you want them to gather information. Look at me. When I was opening this account, I put 4 things here: real estate, advertising, startups, and business. Okay, so most of the articles that you find around here will be find in this curation place will just be around business, startup business, real estate stuff, and then like that. So you will see universal, when I mean global information, quality information that are put out there, and then all you could just do is share it. Okay, so it's more like it's helping you do research, like relevant research, up-to-date research, like recent research, okay, on the creation point, and then just helps you get information in case you do not have the time or do not have the energy at that time to get content. There are just relevant content here that you could just share, you understand, and then it takes it to the account that you want to do. So that's for content creation. Then you could go to scheduling. For scheduling, is more like what it helps you to do is for automation. That's where automation comes in. Let's say, for instance, I want to post every day in a week and I have the content out, so you do not have to now do that work every day. Let's say, for instance, you're creating Saturday, or you're using the weekend to create your content. For someone like Emmanuel now, who maybe shoots on Tuesdays, okay, so let's say you shot 8 contents on Tuesday and you want them to go out every day. You come here and then just post them, you understand, schedule them, you understand, all of them, and then put the time in, and then automatically you just post them into all the platforms that you want to post them by yourself. Okay, then we'll now go to analytics. Analytics just gives you a feedback on how your stuffs are doing. Then we'll also have mentions for all the you can see that it says track and reply mentions. Okay, for all the apps that actually where you're mentioned, where I think this one you have to pay for that, where people mention you or people interact with your post. It helps you track all of them so that you can actually just respond to them. Let's say you put an ad out and then people are asking questions. You don't now need to go to Instagram to check who is looking at you, or go to Facebook to check who is looking at you. By the time you come to Crowdfire, it just gives you every person that has commented on your stuff, and then you could use that to you could just respond to them from this part. Then for listening, now I don't know what this is for. I'll get next time we'll be looking at this. I guess I'll get you to see that. Now for accounts, these are the this was where we were before I stopped. So for accounts now, for the free version, you have the option of using 3 accounts. Okay, out of all the accounts that are here, you have the option of using 3. So you could select the 3 that you want to be active on. Okay, so Facebook is one. I don't know, some persons may not like Facebook, but Facebook is one of the most you can see Facebook is actually the biggest, one of the most used platforms for businesses, and then for one of the used social media accounts. Now there's something I must note here. Okay, something I must note here. If you observe, there's no WhatsApp here, there's no Telegram here. WhatsApp and Telegram are not really considered as social media platforms. They're actually messaging apps. Okay, they're messaging apps because the idea there, they were built to help people message each other. Okay, so that's why they're not there. Although people consider them very useful for marketing, which is good. You understand, and but for in terms of social media, what social media is actually an innovation that helps you self-publish. Okay, self-publish. So these are the ones that actually help you. Although WhatsApp and Instagram are doing quite a lot right now by introducing video and then a number of other features on the app. So, but for this, you could use the best three that you want. Emmanuel, I don't even know what you are doing all around, scrolling and writing things on this app. I wish I could just screenshot. By the time you see the recording, you will see the things you are doing on this app. Let me go back because I can see you. I can see your name. It's still there on my screen, Emmanuel Odogoro. Okay, so let's just move on. So for accounts, you could pick the three that you want, and then once you want to now post stuff, you can now come here. Once you click on compose, you see this part. You could just write the text that you want to write. Once you write the text that you want to write, you can now come to take pictures. You can upload a picture that you want to upload, and then once you upload the picture, it is attached to it. Okay, I'm not publishing anything. If you want to use a GIF also, you could use GIF. But there's something I noticed: GIFs do not. Instagram does not allow you post GIFs from other apps. Okay, so that may not work. So, but pictures, you can actually post pictures directly from here, and then once you are done, you now click. There are things you could see now. What for posting? If you want to post, you can see post now. This is when you want to share right away. If you want to use there's another option for post at custom time when you want to schedule things. Okay, you understand? So you can put the timing for that. Then the last option, I think this is very, very good, is post at best time. Okay, now this one allows the app to actually look at your audience because it's an AI feature. It allows the app or allows Google to look at your audience when they are most likely to see what you're putting out, you understand, and then show them the ad at that time or publish your ad. It just takes statistics, just take data of when people will mostly be online, you understand, to view your ad, or the timing that has the most traffic, okay, for the kind of content that you produce, and then it puts your ads out at that time. So this is the option I recommend the most for when you're using the app. So you could just use this option, post at best time, and then you're just doing it once, and all your posting just goes out on all the platforms at once. Okay, so basically, guys, this is what I wanted to show you guys tonight, and then I would want to believe that some of us will try it out. Some of us try it out between tonight and then next weekend. I may just ask us if we tried it out and what our experience is with using the app. Okay, so that will be that for tonight. Is there any question? If you have any question, please just ask the question, and then let's see what we could do. Do you understand this thing I just showed you? Let's see. Is there any question? Okay, if you let me just start this way. If you found value from what we've done tonight, I'll need you to just share. Give me some emojis, fire emoji, mozu emoji, thumbs up, or the rest on the chat box, number one. Then also, if you have a question, you could just type that down, and then let's just see. Okay, let's just see what that is. Wisdom, this emoji, I don't know what emoji is this one. Wow. Oh, Wisdom has put thumbs up for Precious. Okay, good. Okay, so is there any question? If there is, let me let's take the questions, and then let's see how that can. Wow. Okay. I want to believe that this app is helpful to us. It will help us do stuff that we want to do better. What we want to do is this. Now, guys, let me just explain what's happening here now. Concerning our the platform, okay, concerning the platform, If you saw my announcement today, I said first week of November will go live. Okay, the platform is ready. Everything from payment solution to stuff. We're just building. We're doing. We're just in the stage where we're uploading courses online, and then I'm not very okay with the quality of the work we've done right now. So I'm trying to work with some tech guys to help us record good stuff so that the quality of the work we put on the website will be good because of the scope that we're trying to reach in terms of our marketing, and then the competition we have there, the people who are doing similar stuff, the kind of quality they've put out. I don't want something substandard so that will not be competing from a disadvantaged position. So, but be that as may, I appreciate the patience that some of you have, and then that's why I want to make sure that I am quite useful to you guys in the mentorship call that we have. That doesn't stop it. Even when we put out those content, there will still be the mentorship call will still provide a lot of value, a lot of value to us. So we're working on that. By first week of November, I can assure you that the site will be functional, and then we'll be able to get stuff there. Once we get there, there are a lot of practical things that you will learn there. There are a lot of practical things you will learn there. But before that will start, I may just probably decide to start on the social media marketing quickly, so that some of us who want to do campaigns like Emmanuel can now start having the experience or using the experience he that he will get from what we're teaching to do practical stuff in terms of promoting his business. And then let's see how that will profit him till we get the course out. Okay, so for next week I'll look more at something practical also that we could put out. Okay, so thank you guys for your time. Since there's no question, I would like to call it a day.